Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make the best homemade balsamic vinaigrette. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, make sure your bell notification is on, and now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is half cup of balsamic vinegar. The second thing we will need is 1 cup of olive oil. We will need 2 garlics minced. 1 tablespoon of sugar. We will need 1 teaspoon of oregano. Half teaspoon of parsley, dried. We will need 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Also, we will need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's mix all of our ingredients. Grab any jar. I have a mason jar right here. And now let's mix it one more time. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!